Good morning, everyone. How are you all? So, this is a very, very happy morning, and I'm excited to meet you all. So, please, जितने लोग cameras on कर सकते हैं, please करो. Thank you so much, Priya. How are you? Good, good.
I'm
So,
good,
this
thank
this
you
is
so
your
much.
first day, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, great, great. So, welcome to this beautiful community group, your family, whatever you say. All right. So, as usual, hi Vidita. Vidita, I'm so happy that you're able to join and somehow you are managing. So, that's really great. Hi Shailaja. And Vaibhavji is as rocking as ever. And hi Anusha. Great, great. So, chalo.
जी कहाँ से आ गया ये
Yes, Vaibhav?
ये जी कहाँ से आ गया?
Oh, अच्छा जी भी नहीं बोलना. Okay, Vaibhav. All right.
एट एट पोर्टल का कमाल है.
8 पोर्टल का कमाल है. Yeah, I know. सो आज बहुत डिफरेंट इंटेंस एनर्जीज तो चल ही रही है. लाइक टुडे आई हैव अ मैसेज, लाइक समथिंग गोइंग ऑन फ्रॉम अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. It could be any kind of disease, it could be any kind of relationship, it could be जैसे कोई बोझ उठा करके चल रहे थे, या and suddenly you see that you feel lighter, like something comes to a dead end, like as if divine is telling you बस बहुत हो गया. और कुछ खत्म हो रहा है, कुछ डेड एंड आ रहा है जैसे लग रहा है. एंड yes, you will be shown hope now. Okay, so something which was prolonging for a very long time could end. And if you are positive, if you are not in that anxiety mode, or you are not reactive to everything, and you take everything what comes very positively, you will see that that leads you to a new beginning. All right. So whatever is ending, wherever the chapter is ending, we have to just let it end. Don't try to open that door forcefully, because there are many more doors that are going to be visible to you. एंड आज के मैसेज हम निकालते हैं सीक्रेट बुक से. ऑल राइट. सो 2 days we have taken out from magic, but today we are using the secret. Let's see what comes out today. Okay, so here's the page. Okay, let me first read out what I saw first. Our body is really the product of our thoughts. We are beginning to understand in medical science the degree to which the nature of thoughts and emotions actually determines the physical substance and structure and function of our bodies. So you can now understand, like, what is the secret to your great health. So this page talks about the secret to health. If you remember, I think yesterday itself we discussed that very important to take care of your health now. All right. It is very important to pay attention to your body also. And now the most important thing that affects your body is your thought. So pay attention to the thoughts. What are you thinking all the time? Your thoughts can soothe your body, your thoughts can aggravate your body. They can increase that all that fire element in the body. They can create all the inflammation in the body. Everything happens through our thoughts. So thoughts are very important. Let's pay attention to the thoughts. And Okay. So very beautiful thing is written here. Like, we have known in the healing arts of a placebo effect. A placebo is something that supposedly has no impact and no effect on the body, like a sugar pill. You tell the patient that this is just as effective, and what happens is the placebo sometimes has the same effect, if not greater effect, than the medication that is supposed to be. Yes, so it is like what you command to your body, your cells are very intelligent. So let us now accept that, the body is very intelligent, the cells are very intelligent. Just imagine all the abuses we have given to the body, and still it is functioning. Still it gives us a new chance every day. All right. So tell the best things to your body, let the best things happen. And you can use anything for this. Like, you can use the best thoughts when you eat something or when you drink something, and let it seep into the body, because whatever, finally what you think is what you are. So beautiful message today, very different message today. And so something is going to heal now. All right. As I told in the beginning, that I'm feeling that a long some health issue could get healed suddenly, or you can suddenly see that you are out of that pain, maybe, or that problem, or you got a new solution, or maybe that has come to an end. And it is coming to an end, it is going to the that dead end. All right. So